Good day to you guys. Welcome to Shexa's YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, share, and give a comment. Your comment will help us in improving the services that we are providing through this platform. It will also help others. When I miss something, you can put it in a comment. Thank you very much. Let's begin our tutorial. Today we're going to look at the creation of a database, the SQL statements that we need to have a database created. We're also going to look at SQL statements to create database tables and some constraints that are going to be enforced in the creation of our database tables. So let's open our Navigate Premium. Right, so what do we have here? We have this connection. If you want to know how we get to this step, please watch part 1 of this series. This is our connection. We have several connections, but we are going to look at this connection. So you open that one, or you can just expand it, minimize it from that side. Then we have this database, this test database. So what are we going to have here? We are going to write some queries. So I click on this section where it's written query. So that's the command, or that's the button for writing a query, opening a query, designing a query, writing a new query, deleting a query. Right, so here we are going to start a new query, and our first query is going to focus on the creation of our database. And what is this? What is the name of the database? We are going to call our database asset management database. So here, what's the syntax for database creation? I will first give you the syntax for database creation. If you want to create a database, this is how you create a database. Right, you say create. Usually it's not case sensitive. Create database. Then here you put the database name. For instance, we want to call our database what? Asset management DB. That's our asset management database. So this is the query. So we copy this query, we paste it there. That's the query for database creation. Then before I run this query, I can click on this run, but before I run it, I want to save my query. I will save it, database creation query. So this is the query. I save it, then I run it. Right, affected rows 1 time that. So I've created my database. What if I try to create the same database? Can't create database, asset management DB, database exists. So where is my database? This is the connection, but I cannot see my database, asset management system. So what you need to do is right click there, you refresh. After refreshing, you will see a database there. And do you have any tables? No. Right, so let's write an SQL statement to create a table. Let's write an SQL statement. So which tables do you want to have in our asset management system? Like I said before, maybe we are not able to manage our assets, or the allocation of our assets to the employees or to personnel in our organization. So how are we going to solve this problem? We're going to create a database which is going to show us who is having which asset. So what did I say? Who is having what asset? So from this statement, you can see that we are having two entities. Who is having who? And this is an employee. Having what? An asset. An asset is another entity. So we have two entities. Therefore, we are having two tables. So the first table is going to be an employee. And so this is the query to create a table. This is an SQL statement to create a table. So the syntax is this: create table, and then you say table name. But in this case, our table name is employee, right? And inside the brackets, that's where you put never forget to terminate. Inside the brackets, that's where you put the columns, which are the attributes for this employee. Each and every employee has got an EC number, and this EC number is of what data type? It's an integer. That's what I choose. If you want it to be a string, you call it variable character, which is varchar, and you need to state the length of your variable, right? And here I'm saying this EC number must not be now. That's the first constraint. The second constraint is I want this EC number to be the primary key. So I will say primary key, right? I put a comma. I will show you another way of enforcing the primary key constraint. Now each and every employee has got a first name, and the first name is of what type? Is variable character, and it's of size what? Let me just give it size 50, right? Put a comma, and then we have last name, and this is of what type? Variable character, character, and I will give it same size with 50. What else do I need? Email address, email address is of what type? Is a variable character, and then I will give it size 100, because some people they combine their username and password, their first name, last name, right? And this one I don't want it to be now. Again, you may enforce not now only without anything else. Alright, email address, from that one I may have phone, and my phone I need it to be as an integer with 9 values, and we don't want this to be now. And this phone number must be unique. A unique, we mean no one else can have this, the phone number that is being used by another employee. ID number, I use variable character of size 8. Right, let's put an extra column here. We call it that. Right, so slim like that. Then before I do anything, let me save my query. So this is employee table creation query, and then I say okay, and run it. Affected rows, those. Let me try to run it again. I see the error. Table employee already exists. So do I have the table there? No. Okay, I need to refresh. Let me refresh. my employee table there. You can see if I double click the table, you will see employee is EC number, if name, all these are the attributes or the columns from my table employee. So let's rush and write another query for our second table, right? So it's a new query. In this one, I will say I will create products. So I will say create. You now know how to create a table. So I will rush through products, and then inside there I will put, right, I will put SNUM, which is the serial number for the product, and then the serial number is of type variable character, and this is of size what, 15, and then this must not be null. And this is my primary key, but I do not want to enforce that here. Then here I will say product name, and product name is of what type variable character, and it's of size what, it might be 100. Let me leave it like that. And then EC number. US, we are having EC number. Why? Because I want to see who is assigned this product. So I will say if EC number is 1234, I will know that this laptop is assigned to a certain person with EC number 1234. So I'll say EC num, and EC num is int, and this can be now, and I'm now enforcing primary key constraints, and my primary key will be in the brackets, and this is S num, serial number is my primary key. And then I now enforce foreign key. I'm enforcing referential integrity. So I will say foreign key, and my foreign key is what, PC number, and PC number is referencing what, referencing what, EC number in employee table, and the column that is being referenced is that one. So that's the query. I will save it as SQL query to create products table. Save it and I run it. Does not exist in table, which is now right here. Is now does not exist because I'm referring to it as my primary key. So let me save the query and run it. Right, it goes. So that's how we can create the tables. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, watch some other videos, watch previous videos. Subscribe so that you don't miss out any video that I'm going to upload. Enjoy the rest of your day. Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, good day, bye.